Should technology be used in the classroom setting? Of course it should. I believe technology shouldn't necessarily be the main focus to teaching instruction. Rather, it should be used to enhance the instruction to get the students more involved in the learning process. I also believe students learn best through interaction and can retain information easier by speaking to each other rather than reading on their own from a textbook. For this reason, I agree with the constructivist theory. Vygotsky believes social interaction is an integral part of learning. According to the article, Cognitive and Social Constructivism, Developing Tools for an Effective Classroom, social constructivism is based on social interactions as well as a student's critical thinking process. Vygotsky developed the zone of proximal development, also known as ZPD. ZPD has been described as a zone where learning occurs when a child is helped learning a concept. Vygotsky believes that children learn best when they are supported by others. Vygotsky used scaffolding in his theory. Scaffolding is a learning process in which students learn from a more knowledgeable other, teachers, adults, and peers. Students gain more knowledge about the content and are then able to use that knowledge for future learning. I also agree with Piaget's theory of cognitive development. Piaget believes individuals cannot be given information in which they already know how to use and understand. He says they have to construct their own knowledge. Piaget came up with the 4 stages of development. 1. Sensory motor stage. 2. Pre-operational stage. 3. Concrete operational stage. And 4. Formal operational stage, to explain the process of assimilation and accommodation. His theory also has to do with the individual's ability to construct cognitively the new knowledge they have gained to resolve conflicts. Both Piaget and Vygotsky believe the main role of the teacher is to guide and facilitate. I believe with the use of technology and having students use computers for projects and researching, they will be able to gain more knowledge on a certain topic than what has already been provided to them. Project-based learning, or PBL, helps to engage and motivate students as well as keep their interest. PBL requires students to extend existing knowledge and understanding to generate a solution. It teaches students communication and presentation skills, research skills, and even self-assessment skills. I believe students can accomplish this by having access to computers in the classroom. If I assign my students a research problem or question and they don't know what to do, I want them to be able to use the computer to try to find the answer if I am unavailable for help. I would want my students to use technology to stay in touch with me and always have access to the material covered in class whenever they miss a day of school, and with computers, they will be able to do just that. The book, The Dumbest Generation, explains how technology isn't the answer, but I think students just need to learn how to use it correctly. In the book, Don't Bother Me Mom, I'm Learning, Prensky focused on children learning through video games. I don't think they can learn everything from a game, but depending on the type of game, they can learn something. Lastly, I believe technology is here to stay, and rather than trying to dismiss the use of technology, we should incorporate it into our lessons and engage, motivate, and collaborate with our students.